Hey planner friends, and thank you for joining me for this week's plan with me. This week I am going to be doing an iced tea theme because on Tuesday the 10th, or I'm sorry, Thursday the 10th, it is National Iced Tea Day. So that's where I got my inspiration for this week. And I went ahead and picked out a whole bunch of stickers that I am thinking that I will be using. Most of these stickers came from whoa, technical difficulties. Geez, things are falling apart over here. Most of these came from the Southern Blues sticker book. This is a Recollections sticker book that I picked up at Michael's, which was, I think it was buy one, get two free or something. It was a really good deal. And it's got a whole bunch of fun stickers in here. And I might be going back to get some of the lemons. And I got a couple of the washi tapes from here. So I might be going back through and picking out some more things from here, but I kind of just picked out the top ones that I'm pretty sure I'm going to use. So let's see how this is gonna go. The other thing, I got this sticker from the Watercolors Happy Planner book. It's a really old planner book. So, and that's the only one that I saw in there that kind of matched these little peach iced teas. And the other thing I'm going to be using is this craft label paper from Daiso. I also picked out some washi tapes. This one, I think the flowers kind of match. And then this one, I guess it's a little too purple, so I'll put that to the side. We're not going to use that. I also picked out a couple of plain washi tapes, and these are all from Daiso. So all of these kind of match the colors. I know this one looks super dark, but it actually matches the dark blue here pretty well. So what I want to start off with is this big sweet tea and sunshine sticker. And I kind of just want to put that in the middle of everything, and I want to have it on the side that has the National Iced Tea Day. So I will start off there, and you can't really tell probably on camera, but I drew in really thin pencil lines for the outline of the boxes. That way I can erase what is needed. So, and then of course I'll be going back over with either a marker or something. Maybe I'll do a washi tape lines like I have done in the past. So kind of want to get this centered over here. And then I will plan everything else around it. So I like to do a whole bunch of stuff right here on the side, but I don't know if that's really going to work out for me this time. You know what? I am going to do a box. Oh, and I also cut these little boxes out just in case I want to use them. I feel like the brown paper kind of reminds me of like a brown paper bag. I feel like that really goes with summer and with iced tea, so I might be using those as well. But let's stick this over to the side for now, and I'm going to use one of these craft labels for the side. And I just love Daiso. I mean, they've got so much fun stuff. So I'm going to lay that down and then I'll cut it off the paper because I think that's going to be the easiest way to do this. And hopefully I can line it up pretty well. And on the other side, I colored in that big red car for the drive-in movies day. So you can definitely see that across the bottom. So I kind of want to cover that up as much as possible. gonna do this one because when I was peeling it off from the sticker book, it accidentally ripped a little bit. So I'll put that off to the side so I can actually just kind of cut that off. And I think we're off to a pretty good start so far. Leave that one there. And I'm going to go ahead and speed up through the rest of this video because I know that sometimes you just do not want to sit there for an entire hour. And you really don't need to see details of, how I use the glue tape roller to glue all of the different things down, because that takes time. So here we go, speeding up through it. So the first thing that I'm doing here is I wanted to put down all of those little boxes in the different spaces. I wanted them to kind of be not all uniform and not totally completely random. But once I get all of those little boxes down, then I can kind of go ahead and do the rest of like the decorative part of this. Like I can put all of the different stickers down and all of the washi and whatnot. So some of them I had to cut down to size a little bit. So on like Friday and Saturday, because I had that big sweet tea and sunshine sticker in the middle, I couldn't use the full box the way that I had it cut originally. So I just trimmed it down a little bit, which is not a big deal because, well, I honestly don't have a whole lot of stuff going on those days. As a matter of fact, the only thing that I have going on those days is work. And the days that I work, I really can't do anything else. I don't have time or energy for it. So on the days that we teach, it's pretty much 7 to 7. So, and that just takes up all of my energy because the only thing I do all day is talk. Um, and so by the end of the day, I'm exhausted. Maybe I'll come downstairs and make myself some dinner. But other than that, I am not doing anything exciting. So not having a whole lot of space to write is perfectly fine for the weeks that I'm working or the days that I'm working. So then you saw me putting down some of those decorative stickers, and then I went back in with the washi tape. And those of you that have watched my videos before, I am just not very good with using washi tape. But I think the more that I do this, the better it's going to get. And I have been watching some other YouTubers doing their planning videos, and I'm trying to get a little bit more comfortable with washi, but still not quite there yet, like this one, right? I put it across 2 boxes and then I realized that's not going to work. It looks weird, right? So I ended up fixing that. And you guys see my camera sliding a lot here. That's because the stand that I put my camera on to record this video, it wasn't an actual stand for recording. I kind of had to MacGyver it. And after I got like a couple of phone calls and I had some alerts and some emails, my phone was going off. It made my phone slide all over the place. So what I did was I used a piece of washi tape to secure my phone a little bit so it doesn't have that sliding issue. I do have a stand for it. I bought one. I bought one specifically to bring down to LA where I am right now recording this video. But I put it somewhere so I won't forget to bring it down. And guess what happened? I have no idea where the heck that safe space is that I used to store it so I won't forget. So anyways, hopefully next time I come down, I won't I will remember it, I'll find it, and yeah, I won't have this phone sliding issue again. So then I went back into the book. I found some more stickers. I used those pretty blue flowers. There were some that were on a clear background that I didn't pull originally. So I went through and I pulled those. And just a couple of more different pieces with some of the orange, like the flowers that you see on the corner there. Um, I felt that corner just needed something, so I gave it a little bit something. And then I like that Hey Y'all sticker. I feel like that one just really made that page complete. I don't know how I feel about that lemonade sticker that I just put down. I feel like now the page looks a little more complicated than it should, but that's okay. And then I found where that peach washi was hiding. It was actually under one of the label packs. So I lifted that up and I found it, and I was like, oh yeah, I gotta use this one, just to bring a little bit more peach color into the spread. And I really, really like this peach. I think it's just so sweet and so summery, and it's like 90 degrees out here today. So that color definitely goes well with my mood and everything. And the last step to this is I went in with the blue marker and I put those lines down for the boxes, which I kind of feel like I shouldn't have done, because now you can really see how crooked some of those sticker boxes are. But oh well, maybe next time I won't do this. Maybe I'll just add some extra washi tape to outline everything. But you know, live and learn. This is all a process. So this is it. This is the final result. Thank you so much for joining me on this plan with me. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I will see you next time.